Oh my lord. It's
How
just,
old is that tap?
I don't know. It's not mine. It's old, but it's not mine. I don't know. There we go.
Yeah, it looks like one of the older taps.
Come on. Oh, kinda. Come on. Come on. Come on. Son of a biscuit. What? Yeah, that's normal.
I always have trouble with the... Where's your mod key?
Right there.
Yeah, I always have trouble with that.
Simple. Good.
Can you protect me if I run out of ammo?
I can try.
Okay. Oh, right. I'm following you though.
I got you.
Put that line down.
Let me take some of that neck off real quick. Just lighten the load. Okay. He said, you want to play King? I go, I don't care. He goes, cool. I said, I guess. He said, what do you want to play? I go,
Oh, shit.
Bruh. I know. You good? Where'd he get you?
dude.
We're going south, by the way. Ugh, so freaky. Gay. We get it, you're cool. Rainbow. Rainbow. Nah, that's gay. We don't do that here. Get your stupid ass. Like, switch vents.
All three of you. See ya.
Switch vents.
Alright. 5.
He's just recording.
I'm literally just recording.
You usually have a pistol.
Yeah, I'm recording my gameplay.
Give me mine. Is that the new tracer unit?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god. That?
In all seriousness, see ya, Luke.
Alright, I want him too.
Alright, see ya, Dylan.
That was a dick move! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, you gotta call Yellow hit next time.
Use your air. Use your air.
Alright, I got a couple more shots to see something.
Fucking thing kills. It jewel creeps like a motherfucker.
Let me see if Dylan calls his hits.
No. I do a call my
He goes, oh, fuck you. Give me my gun!
I actually do want to see the
The tracer part itself is ass.
Yeah, it doesn't trace, it's just rainbow. It's literally just looks cool, that's it.
That's all it is.
Exactly. It really, it's straight rainbow. No.
I want you.
Bullshit. Now I need this footage because that was funny. I mean, boom, 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 boom. I want that. Ah! fuck's yelling? What? Ouch. It's fine. I got it. Kinda. Dude, you fucking idiots! I'm your teammate! Oh my gosh! Fucking teammate, dude. Red vest and his fuck buddies. Bruh. Owie. Oh, you're fucked, buddy. Come here. Your ass is mine. Or not.
Seconds remaining for self-spawn. The hill is neutral, it's not a cause. stop.